I gotta get another big bag of rice.
I think that black lady, when I went down the aisle, she had 2 of them in her basket. I think she took the last 2. Alright. And I wasn't gonna be like, lady, I need that. My mom was busy. Oh, you got her cake.
The what?
You got her cake.
Okay.
I was laughing in my room about the cake situation with grandma.
Jordan making something else with that.
I was laughing though. When she was talking about it. I was like, she just be going on and on and on, don't she?
I be laughing. Jordan don't be thinking.
She was like, Jordan, I didn't know that.
Jordan, I'm finding Jordan don't be thinking, but this is funny. He be like, yeah, you think it's funny? Nah.
It's fun. I'm gonna go put these over there. Alright, whenever you get done with these put them over there. I like how she double back everything.
She was on it. She wasn't playing. They said about her business today. She was mad because they were playing her. The manager was playing her. She was ready to walk out. She said that's just her second job. She sure was going to walk out. She was right. Them people would try you.
Jordan, you know Mama don't even know what kind of juice she buy. I mean, what kind of bread she buy. She said, is it the Sara Lee? No, because or is it the nature?
Because we got nature's best last time, ma'am.
I was like, Mama, you don't know what kind of bread you buy?
That's why. Don't do that. That's why I couldn't remember. Because we got nature's on or whatever.
That's what they are. And then they didn't even have no cucumbers. They sold it in packs. Bologna home. Oh, you got the cotton. Why you told me not to take it off?
Oh, yeah, I forgot I got those. I might eat that.
Well, you need to scratch it off your list.
Really don't be no easy task. You gotta do a haul, you gotta put this stuff out.
I think the only thing left in the bag is your chicken. Where you want your chicken? Where you want your chicken?
Yes, he'll put it over there.
Over where?
Over here. And I'm tired. Oh, y'all facing the ceiling down there. Y'all interested in seeing everything I got? Y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned to the grocery haul. Like I said, I'm not gonna share putting none of this stuff up because I'm tired and I'm starting to feel bad. And we still doing laundry. But this is pretty much how the cabinets are looking now. We still good on a lot of stuff. I told y'all that. I just had to stock up. I didn't buy any more bags, large for the beef, because we have 2 packs. I didn't need any rice. Like I said, if y'all don't see it, I didn't need it. We needed peas because I only had 1 can, and everything else is like freezer stuff. I gotta still get my corn on the cob because they did not have any there. They didn't have any orange juice that we get. They didn't have the lemonade or the tea, so I got to get that from the one in the city I live in. So I may go get it No, I'm gonna go get it tomorrow. Or like I said, I'll just let Riri get it on her way home. But that's the only thing I need is corn on the cob. Bless you. Corn on the cob, apple juice, lemonade, and tea. And that's it. Got everything else I needed. And some more rice. Because I had picked up a big bag of rice, but it had a hole in it because it spilled out. So I just got the small one just so I could have some. So I gotta get some rice. But other than that, that's it. So let me go ahead and, like I said, get this stuff done. I gotta finish laundry and all that good stuff. And I'll be back. I'll see y'all in the next video. So thank y'all for hanging with me around today. What she'll take it? It ain't gonna be dark it ain't gonna get dark till 7. I ain't gonna be gone long because I ain't got much to get. It's just 11:30. So I'm gonna take my time. Studying. I ain't studying. You hear her? Y'all hear her? She ain't gonna worry my nerves today. And need this one here sitting on this side of me. And Mama E just sit there and mind her business.
And laugh.
That's right, and laugh.
I mind my business too.
Well, I recorded. Chilling with us, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all check out the grocery haul because there's a lot of stuff that I didn't share in a walkthrough that we picked up. So until next time, I'll see you later. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay in y'all peace. Be grace. Like I tell y'all all the time, just do what you know that you need to do for yourself, for your family, and in God. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.